Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. It's simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with these plastic balloon holders from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take them and cut them in half. Next, I'll be using this copper paint from Michaels, and I'll just be using that finger painting method that I showed you guys a few times before. Right here, I'm just taking some diamond base filler, and I'm going to be placing it in the center of the two balloon holders that we just painted. Guys, I do want to point out here that the heat from the hot glue will cause the plastic to warp a little bit, so you'll need to hold the project in place while it dries so that it comes out straight. Right here, I'm just adding more of that diamond base filler so that I can connect the three panels. Next, I'll be adding this silver diamond base filler. Here I'm using a scrap piece of foam board, and I'm just going to cut out a rectangle pattern. I'll be using this silver bag from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be cutting it into pieces. I'll be hot gluing these two pieces of foam board together, and then I'm going to cover them with some more of that silver bag. Right here, I'm just taking a piece of bling ribbon that I had left over from the previous project. Right here, I'm just hot gluing the two pieces together. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I'll be back on Tuesday at 6 p.m. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.